Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. We'll be talking about commercial real estate in Central and Eastern Europe. So good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. Good Monday morning. We're actually here at our hotel now in Budapest, and just getting ready for the HotCo conference, which is taking part in just about 12 o'clock today on this lovely Monday morning. So a lot going on. They've got over 300 people registered for HotCo, which is Hotel Conference for CEE. And it looks like to me they've got a lot of sponsors, a lot of really the movers and shakers in Central Eastern Europe for investment and for development for and service providers for the hotel industry. So there'll be a lot of interesting panels, it looks like, coming up today, and a lot of interesting things happening. So it'll be good to go to that. Also, a lot of other things going on in the next week. We'll be here in Budapest all this week as well, doing some interviews, meeting some interesting people, and working on our CRE Awards, which is the only regional event covering here in Budapest, covering commercial real estate and the awards. Of course, we're covering Hungary, Czech Republic, Slovenia, Serbia, many of the other countries here in the region. So a lot of fun there, and we'll get a lot of interesting comments here from the Hungarian, really the commercial real estate professionals here. Also, next week, there's the Women in Real Estate Awards in Warsaw. I think that's on Tuesday. And then several also events on Thursday. Let's say the Wolf Tice event for one, which, of course, always exciting to go to, and a few other things happening. So enjoy the rest of the day. We're going to go to Winston now. Winston Norman. We'll have a little 20-second break, show you a little bit about the investment awards, which are taking place October 27th in Warsaw, and the CER awards taking place October 20th here at the InterContinental in Budapest. So stay with us, and we'll jump to Winston right now for the news. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Craig Smith, publisher of EuropaProperty.com. Welcome to the 4th annual Europa Property CRE Awards, the only international real estate awards event based in Budapest, Hungary, and covering the surrounding region. After a year of online events, now we are finally able to meet face-to-face with international, regional, and local commercial real estate professionals. With over 10 countries covered, including Hungary, Czech Republic, Slovenia, Slovakia, Serbia, Croatia, Montenegro, Bosnia and Herzegovina, Albania, and Ukraine, this will be an event not to be missed. Check out our website, creawards.net or EuropaProperty.com.
Good Monday morning and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show, and here are the highlights from the EuropaProperty.com website for today. And today we'll start with a report from Cushman Wakefield, who have summarised the office market in Poland for the first quarter. And Poland's office stock currently stands around 12.5 million square metres. And in quarter one, there was new supply in regional cities of around 243,000 square metres in 16 projects. And 48% of that was delivered in Katowice, so it's a very strong market there. Warsaw's new supply, however, came to around 94,000 square metres, and that was delivered across 5 projects. The development pipeline in Poland's largest cities stands at around 685,000 square metres, and most projects are underway and are set to be completed in the next 2 years. And according to Katarzyna Lipka, she's head of consulting and research at Cushman Wakefield, she says that developers remain cautious about commencing new projects, and this is largely due to the uncertainty around the impact of the conflict in Ukraine and the Polish economy that's experiencing some difficulties. And the office market is also experiencing a significant rise in office construction and fit-out costs, and they're expecting that new projects will be limited. There'll be limited new projects on the market between 2023 and 2025.
Click here to subscribe to the Coffee with Craig show, and don't forget to share it with your friends.